Hello everyone, welcome to the first video in a series of tutorials on the amazing C++ language. I'm making these videos for anyone and everyone who wants to learn C++. So you could be an absolute beginner or someone who has a little more experience. I'm assuming most of you have a little bit of experience doing C++, but if not, do not worry. Um, Now, in order to get into C++, what you're going to need are two things. You're going to need an IDE and a compiler. Now, an IDE is just something that lets you write code, and a compiler is something that translates your code or your readable text into something that the computer can understand. Now, normally you have to download a bunch of crap and it takes forever to set it up. But what I'm going to show you how to do is to set up something that you can do in your browser that is super easy and that doesn't require any downloads. So before we get into setting up our first program, we're going to check out replit. Now just search up replit.